Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming eligibility and creating a safe backup. You should check your account age, recent payments, and that no holds or policy issues exist. Export transaction history if needed. Once done, gather the new country proof, government ID, utility bill, or local bank statement, and ensure document dates match. Make sure your new payment method and tax information are ready, because you will enter them during the change, and missing details will delay approval. You proceed to Payment Settings and choose Manage Settings to start the country change flow. Carefully enter the new billing address and select the correct local bank currency. This step updates your payment profile. Next, input tax details required for that country and upload proof documents. Double-check file clarity and cropped edges. After submission, verify your bank by authorizing a small deposit or code, because that confirmation finalizes payment routing and prevents payout interruptions. You finish by monitoring the review status in your account. Processing times vary by region, so expect delays. Once approved, update recurring settings and confirm your first payout to the new bank. If your request is rejected, check the common issues: mismatched address, expired ID, or unclear scans, and resubmit corrected documents. If problems persist, contact Adsense support with your account ID, clear screenshots, and a short timeline, because direct support accelerates manual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.